أولئك هم المفلحون.
Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Quran House, where we empower minds and enlighten hearts through the teachings of Quran, Arabic, and Islam.
Our online platform offers an interactive and convenient learning experience, making it easier for everyone to connect with Quran and Islam.
Quran House provides an extensive curriculum that includes Quran recitation, Quran memorization, learning Arabic, and exploring the principles of Islam. Our qualified and experienced instructors are dedicated to guiding you in your spiritual journey.
We understand that every learner is unique. That's why our lessons are tailored to your individual needs, allowing you to progress at your own pace and focus on the areas that matter most to you. Our comprehensive range of courses caters to students of all ages and backgrounds.
And to help you get started, we are offering more than one trial session so you can experience the quality of our teaching firsthand.
It is super easy to sign up and you can start learning right away.
So, why wait? Join us today at Quran House and embark on a journey of self-discovery, spiritual growth, and divine wisdom.
Remember, at Quran House, we are empowering minds and enlightening hearts. We look forward to welcoming you to our inclusive online community.
Visit us at www.quranhouse.online and book your free trial session now. Quran House, empowering minds, enlightening hearts.